Hey friends, so today I'm going to give you a quick 5-minute jump rope workout that you guys can do right at home. You're going to need a jump rope, but if you don't have a jump rope, you can complete these exercises without a rope. So let's get started. All right, everyone, so for 1 minute, we're going to be doing a basic jump, all right? So basic jump rope, you're just swinging that rope around and around. And remember, if you do not have a jump rope at home, you're just going to swing your arms and stay on those toes. And remember, each exercise we do, we'll do for 1 minute, all right? So make sure you keep hopping. Almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so that is the first exercise. Let's get started with exercise number 2 next. Hey y'all, I'm Miss Scruggs' sister. I'm gonna be giving you exercise number 2. So for exercise number 2, we're gonna jump rope, but we're gonna move side to side. And again, we're doing 1 minute. If you don't have a jump rope at home, remember you can just do air jumps and swing your arms. So side to side. If you mess up like that, just keep going. Remember to keep breathing. Three, 2, 1. All right, everyone, so I'm back, and for exercise number 3, we're gonna be hopping from front to back. So let's get ready. Remember to always stay on your toes, hopping front to back, swinging those arms. And again, remember, you do not have to have a jump rope to finish these exercises. And at any point you get tired during the 1 minute, you can stop, catch your breath, and get right back to it until the 1 minute is done. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're back with exercise number 4. So for this jump rope exercise, we're gonna be jumping rope in a circle. And if you don't have enough space to jump in a circle, you can just jump back and forth, so watch. So again, I'm gonna make a circle while I'm jumping rope. If you don't have enough space, just go down. And then you can turn around and go back. Remember, we're doing this for 1 minute. Whoop. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, everyone, and for exercise number 5, we're gonna take it back to the beginning and do a basic hop. So again, we're still on our toes, swinging those arms around, getting a good bounce in. Your heart should be pumping hard at this point. And you're almost done. You got 1 more minute, and then you are done with the 5-minute jump rope workout. And remember, if you do not have a rope, you can complete these exercises by swinging your arms and still hopping on those toes. remember to take a break if you are feeling tired at any point. You can see my little puppy on the side. All right, y'all, keep it going in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job, you guys. Make sure you get some water. Let your heart rate cool down. Deep breaths, breathe in and blow it out. Breathe in and blow it out. Last one, breathe in and blow it out. Again, get water. Great job, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.